Sanbonan. So yeah, first of all, I just wanted to say, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna definitely watch this game, but like unfortunately, I just needed to watch it due to the hype event and stuff, like that, especially about what actually happened yesterday. About so it was immense. I was too very excited, so I just needed to watch it. And first of all, I just wanna say, careful, I too. Yeah, and yeah, man, it just feels good, man. About like a weekend, you lose a very Pirates and then like Coastly win, especially if like it is a knockout game, available. That's always great. So, yeah, on today's game, yeah, starting lineup first of all, it was so powerful. Yeah, but I believe which it was going to be unfair if like Umfundo Villagas didn't start the game, just like he didn't start the game, especially after the performance really that he actually gave available during the week. So yeah, definitely was supposed to start available into it gaming. And then Sasapi is body. Yeah. Nah, relax, chill. Okay, Sasapi boy. My bad, it sounded bad. You see, guys, the things that I go through about just to shoot these videos. So, yeah, I was just speaking about very good of Vilaga's, which like it was going to be unfair after the performance that I actually gave available during the weekend. Today, again, it's just that the kid just is a beautiful performance. About one thing about him in terms of like finding like those key boxes passes available is actually good at doing that available. And then yeah, they played to Lilepo on the side that I will say I will arguably I would say which like is the best available available. And also just want to speak about the pitch also, but it was very great. It was a very good pitch available, and somehow it was even bigger than into the FNP. So yeah, sinyazi kuzobe sokhona abantu bebathi kumele idlale la pitch lapha because FNP wara yeah, maybe nami I am thinking mhlawumbe kunabuloyi la something yabo la FNP. I'm kidding, but yeah, the pitch, just wanted to say which I'm very impressive. I just want to speak about it also, but I'm very impressive the people that's actually maintaining it. About I love to give them their flowers because like not most of like my pitches okay, let me just, but not most of like my pitches available PSL very most of my grounds they actually good they are maintained well, and for a good ground well as jiu-jitsu stuff so since so swallows which to be on that level available, it is actually great, man. And then yeah, Ikodaro today God's power actually founded his debut goal available, and I'm just happy the way like I'm a players this season they actually being introduced, the way I was introduced on a corner available, which like they are finding quick goals, they're just adjusting very very quick. That is actually good for my team available this season. And yeah, I hope going forward, because also we even saw Arsenal very by which I'm gonna speak about him lastly. So yeah, the first goal came with like I think it was from the back from McCarthy, gave it to Lilepo available, and then Lilepo was supposed to finish it, and then that's great. Which yellow for really power. It was a tight position, which and then that's Mabuya available. Let's have a Ikotaro available, and most of my goals are so correct records to lately this thing which I'm at deflection, yeah, so I'm still waiting for like a month or I'm a goal like 1-on-1 or anything about tested about that moment. But so far so good, which means which like our wingers actually giving very problem. And then also available second goal came with Fundo Villagazi, came with the Quinica. I just want to say assisted by Fundo Villagazi, and I think today he even had like 2 of I'm assist available. He actually had like 2 of them assist available, which is actually good for him, because like the boy, just want to speak about this, like when it comes to our set pieces, the boy actually has a good technique. I even saw that thing during the week available, and like performance overall today, it was actually good. Most of our players where they had the good performance. And we're starting lineup again. I just want to go back. The moment we're starting lineup, I don't know if it is me or what. The moment we're starting lineup, you see in the midfield Unyambose no, like that game is about to be good if we're being honest, because like it's just, it is like there's this kid who work in Barcelona named Pedri. that kid is looking up at Ngobo, if we're being honest. That kid is looking up at Ngobo, that could be just something else. And the thing with him is that was always made to be players with level as number 10, and there's number 10 you're expected to have that creativity, and then on that number 8 position, it's bringing that creativity from number 10, and it just becomes so good, bro. It just becomes so good. He's just so good, and like people are likely progressive, and then Nyambo also being there to protect and stuff. And then the third goal, the Koravelo Ulilepo due to a set piece again that was taken by Mfundo Vilagazi. Beautiful again. I'm just gonna be giving the boy today like I'm a flowers again and again and again and again. Available. So we dominated the game. Available. We didn't give the opposition time. Ukuthi vele babe vele on the ball vele about that much vele, and we didn't, and we were supposed to do that because if like by match playing a draw yabo, especially ngokuthi kodwa vele ama-goal we were going to lose that match, and because they were going to have an away goal advantage vele yabo. So it was good that we didn't vele baspressanga vele that much, especially when you are playing at home, and fans also they actually like playing a huge role laphayana. And then unfortunately for Lilepo actually got a red injured, and I just want to speak about him also. Joab Shilo on the first reaction match available CAF that I believe to say available competition. I think it was for a while he wants to be like top goal scorer, he wants to see win, which is great, but I feel like that is just getting too much, and you need to consider about like selfish too much, because like unogos want touch spaces when there's no need to. Like there's a time when just take on my players, and there's a winger where you need to do that, but like because Fabulous basically like with my he's just becoming too much selfish, and then there was a time like Mela Pasagona Ikotaro available. But also it was great, especially as a forward, it was great because like he was forward bigger no keeper available. So it was great to shoot, but in that time I was like, because Mboneno Gumbona I was like, okay, why are you not passing the ball available? But again, praise for him available, score and stuff, and then again unfortunately he got injured, and then Pulemodi came in, and I think he's the only player Pulemodi who actually had a bad game, bro, because I believe the boy today was supposed to go out with like history. This game where he was supposed to win it with a big margin, but Pulemodi got like many opportunities. Available to the time before which is actually great for the time, but like I think like lesser after that it don't be very that quick, so lento le vele fika vele mbulalise. And then we also saw today the likes of Arsenal Velepai, which I just want to say that kid is quality. And then also saw with Omabo I didn't see much, but like me, as like I've watched football in different teams and stuff, and those players that you don't see a lot, well, especially if it is a midfielder, somehow they are contributing more when you analyze about the match again and stuff. But now I can't say to win available, but I just wanted to put that fact out there. And then I just want to speak about like Arsenal Velepai, our diamond. Like we still gonna see a lot from the kid. We still gonna see a lot from the kids. He plays with both of like his foot left and right, and the left niggas advantage available, because it was a thing with my to keep Vilagaza, but he was still giving like problems available most of the time. And another thing that I recognize about him is that he's also good available in terms of recovering the ball in terms of like defending the ball. And the winger that we have, like Coordination who actually does that, it is only Pulemodi. It is not only Pulemodi, and right now, of course, but it is Pulemodi available. We've seen him which like okay, a contributor very lot available when it's come to very defensive wise. But with Arsenal by playing both of like a side, he might have like an issue available if he keeps on doing this. But I hope the boy can have a moment in time where put Modi, and man, you are on the group stages. Abash, Danko, man of the match. Nah, I'm supposed to give it to Cross because there was that Nandi moment. There was that Kasim Nandi moment there when I wish guys you were there with me, bro. I think everybody was watching when we said they want him to. I yellow was like Kasim Flavor and then he passed the ball to Cross. At least he left. That's not just a simple. I also give it to Cross for that moment. But overall, the players had a good game. It was only Polymondo who didn't have a good game. So yeah, wrap it up. I'm gonna post this video later on tomorrow. My bad. Thank you.